Hi guys! I'm just hanging out outside and figured I'd make a quick video about a topic that's been going viral online lately. I have one of my two dogs, Jody, here with me. Say hello. So, the topic is the solar flash and the cosmic ages. A lot of people are acting like the literal end of the world is just around the corner. You hear terms like pole shift, Schumann resonance, ascending to 5D. Everything just thrown into one giant blender. But let's take a breath and untangle all of this in a way that actually makes sense physically and astrologically. Because the truth is, this whole thing is like a cosmic domino effect. Okay, listen. Domino number one is the pole shift. Don't worry, the Earth isn't physically flipping over, and the continents are staying right where they are. It's just the magnetic field of the Earth that's shifting. But here's the thing. It's a proven fact that this magnetic field is currently weakening. And that field is basically our shield, keeping harsh radiation away from us. When this field drops, it obviously messes with the climate and weather zones. But spiritually speaking, something way more intense is happening. The magnetic field is like the hard drive for our old collective 3D consciousness. When that field collapses, it's like an energetic master reset for humanity. The hard drive gets wiped clean for a moment. And right at that exact moment, when the shield is down, enters domino number two, the sun. We need to separate two things. The normal solar flares you hear about all the time, the ones that cause the Schumann resonance monitors to completely white out. That's basically just everyday space weather. Those are just the sun's little burps. They are great because they are already training our nervous system right now. The solar flash, on the other hand, is the grand final. See, our sun travels through the galaxy and accumulates cosmic stardust and energy over thousands of years. And at some point, it reaches a threshold where it breathes out all this accumulated light at once in a gigantic micronova. A massive one-time evolutionary impulse. And here's the absolutely brilliant part where astrology comes into play. This breathing out doesn't just happen at random. It is precisely timed with the astrological ages. Every 2,160 years or so, exactly when we shift eras, just like we are doing right now from the Age of Pisces to the Age of Aquarius. The sun hits the densest point of this galactic energy belt. Astrologically speaking, we currently have Pluto officially locked into Aquarius. Aquarius rules frequencies, electricity, the nervous system, and absolutely sovereignty. So the solar flash isn't a destroyer, it's a cosmic trigger. Uranus is the ruler of Aquarius. This Uranian light energy hits an unprotected, highly sensitive nervous system, burns away the old matrix conditioning of the Piscean age, like fear and the victim mentality. And mentally, our consciousness, it mutates our consciousness right out of the dense third dimension and straight up into the freedom of 5D. In reality, this domino effect has been underway for a long time. So the question isn't even when the big flash is coming, but whether your own nervous system is ready to hold this new frequency. How are you guys actually handling the current solar storm? Are you already feeling it in your body or your sleep? Definitely let me know down in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, stay anchored in your own sovereignty, and I'll see you in the second part of this trilogy. Take care, bye.